Hello, my name is Brad from Volkswagen Van Centre Lancashire, and today I'm going to be taking you around this stunning Volkswagen Caddy Cargo Commerce Pro short wheelbase TDI 7sp DSG, presented in gold and green metallic paint. This is a 2-litre diesel engine with 122 PS power output. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year's manufacturer's warranty, 1 year's roadside assistance, and much more. Moving on to the front of the vehicle, dotted along your front bumper are your colour coordinated front parking sensors, which can also be located on your rear bumper for your colour coordinated rear parking sensors. Additional to that is a rear view camera, allowing for extra safety and vision when reversing or parking this vehicle. We also have some additional VW and Caddy badging dotted around in multiple areas on the exterior. Opening up the rear barn doors on 180-degree hinges allows you to reverse up tight to any loading bays that require you to, and once opened reveals ample of load space, where there is lighting at the top to increase visibility in this fully ply-lined van. Also dotted in multiple areas are some lashing rings which assist with securing any heavy, light or fragile loads. And here we just get another angle of the rear of the van from your passenger side sliding door. Now we get our first look at the driver's cab, a quick look at the controls to the power folding heated wing mirrors, and on entry you are met by a very spacious area where you have your multifunctional steering wheel, which we will touch on later on in the video. We also have your single passenger seat there, along with your driver's seat, both with a single armrest, allowing for extra comfort on all long and short journeys. And as we pan back around that dashboard, we have additional storage compartments, perfect for any smaller personal belongings you may be taking with you. To the left of your multifunctional steering wheel, we have your cruise control, allowing you to set your required speed and also increase and decrease your speed. And to the right, we have your voice activation control. Moving on to the centre console now, I'm just going to go through a few of the many features it has. We start off with the digital radio, where you're able to listen to and find all your favourite radio stations and save them onto the system whilst on the go. A quick look now at App Connect, where you can use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, which is a feature which allows you to access and use apps from your mobile device, such as Spotify, where you can listen to your own personal playlists, and Google Maps navigation. We also have your navigation, which is extremely easy to use, offering you multiple route guidances to find your required destination. We also have your front and rear parking sensors, along with your rear view camera, allowing for extra safety and vision when reversing or parking this vehicle in any surroundings. And finally, for your centre console, a quick look at your electronically controlled air conditioning system, which is extremely easy to use. You also have the ability to control your passenger and driver heated seats. And directly below your centre console is an additional storage compartment with a couple of USB seats, your automatic DSG shift box, your electronically controlled handbrake, and once again, panning back around that dashboard, we get another angle of them smaller storage compartments, perfect for any smaller personal belongings you may be taking with you. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year's manufacturer's warranty, 1 year's roadside assistance, and much more. For more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01772 911 356 or inquire online now.